Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something that has been a very long overdue. I hope you enjoyed the montage, I guess, of that's a day in my life, I guess. Just at the beginning it was just taking out the battery, which is over there, and then it was just me going to school. So yeah, right now I'm at the shop and I'm going to go get a new battery. Alright, and this is a new battery right here. See, this one is so messed up. Oh my god, you hear that? And we got this one, which is just brand new. The thing I just came to realize that I definitely need one of these, because this one is like, I think you can see it. I want to take it out, but like probably will, but like this thing is kind of like cemented itself inside the goddamn thing. Like, look at that. You can see, look at that. Literally cemented itself in. So I'm about to go get one of these so I can put it on this, and then we can put it on. Alright, and this is the new one. As you can see, at first I thought it wasn't the right one because I asked them, but yeah, when you like turn it around, exact same thing. So the next clip is me trying to install this. I don't think it'd be that hard because it was easy to take apart. Shouldn't be that hard to put back in. So yeah, before I install this, you can see that there's a huge ass mess here that will be fixed. Look at that. Disgusting. For the moment of truth, which I think this should work because I did everything right. And let's see. Whoa, that was a weird response. Yep, that turned on right. So I'm pretty sure I did everything right. Makes me happy that she's finally back alive. Just a little. I understand that the car went on, but I completely forgot about the headlights. So yeah, it's kind of like crisscross. I don't know if this is going to be a big deal later down the road, but yeah, this thing had to be like drilled into it, like, not drilled into it, but like shoved into it like that. This one had to be like that, and yeah, I lost the bolt. Now to find that bolt, and yeah, I think we should call it a day. So yeah, that basically wraps everything up. I just put the bolt, I found it somewhere just laying down. And yeah, I attached everything together, but I'm really happy that we got the Subaru finally running. Now the next part is to make it street legal. You'll see the next video within like probably the next month. I actually really glad that I got this camera. And yeah, you should see the videos and looking forward to it in the future. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.